G'day, in this video we're going to be going over half-lives. So first we're just going to go through this example of half-life. So we've got technetium-99 is often used for medical diagnosis. Okay, it has a half-life of 6 hours. So we've got a very bit of important, so it's half-life of 6 hours. Okay, and this is just the name of it. Okay, a patient has a small amount of the isotope injected into the bloodstream. Note that it doesn't give you an amount here, so that means you won't be looking for an amount in your answer. And I'll get to this later of how to do this if you were given an amount. What fraction of the original amount will remain after? So this, what fraction of the original amount? So they've actually told us in the question that they're looking for a fraction answer. And after 12 hours, and 48 hours here. So, first one. Need to remember, a half-life is how long it takes for essentially how much would be left, or it would be halved in that time. Okay, so a half-life of 6 hours, it will halve the amount in that time. So, we need to figure out how many 6 hours go into 12. So, we just do 12 divided by 6. Hopefully you don't need a calculator for this. This will be 2 half-lives. Okay, sorry, that is horrendous writing there, but I think you get the idea. So, how much would be left after having that? Okay, now we just, if we've got 2 half-lives, we've got 1 half, okay, times another half. Okay, so we would have 1/4. Okay, you can also write this as you can square because we've got 2 half-lives here. Okay, so with this, after 12 hours, we've had half-lives again, and you can break it down. So if half of it's left after 6 hours, half of it again, so you're half a half, that's a quarter. So that would be 1/4 will be left after 12 hours. And I'm going to run out of room, but anyway. Alright, so now we've done this. Hopefully you can work out B, but I'll still go through it. Okay, so say with this we have got 48 hours. Okay, so we just do the same thing. We've got 48 hours in total, and it's been through, or it takes 6 hours for 1 half-life. So we do 48 divided by 6. This here is equal to 8 half-lives. So with this, we're not going to write out a half times a half times a half times a half and so forth. So this is where you can use our notation here. Okay, just remember up here, this is how many half-lives. The power. Okay, so with this, we will go 1/2 to the power of 8. Okay, so with this, this will equal, if you put it into your calculator, or if you're really good with your powers, you'll know this is 1/256. Okay, so this means 1 out of 256 would be left. And this is after 48 hours. Okay, so I told you I was going to work out, tell you how to do it if you had an amount. So I'm just going to do this for example A, because this is a really easy number to work with. Okay, so if we had, say, 10 grams injected, oh, well, that's a lot. We'll just say with 1 milligram was injected. Okay, so with this, we would have a quarter left. So this would be, all you do is to your amount and you times it by what you've worked out here, or how many half-lives is passed. So what fraction of the original amount would be remain. So with this, if we had 1 milligram for A, we'd just multiply this by what we worked out as 1/4, because that's the fraction that was left. So this would equal 0.25 milligrams. Okay, so that's how you work it out if you were given an amount. Okay, so hopefully this helped with going over half-lives. Just remember, half-life, it's in the name of it. Okay, so it's how long it takes something to half in the amount. Okay, so half will be gone in whatever time specified. Every different so isotopes of different things, they have different half-lives. Okay, so it will change question to question with how long it is. Okay, but just remember, use this process here. All right, so good luck with working out half-lives.